Now, a parliamentary committee is calling on cabinet secretaries to make time for engagement with legislators whenever called upon. Legislators led by the National Assembly's Trade, Industry and Cooperatives Committee, Vice Chairperson Marianne Keitany, were agitated after top officials of the Ministry of Investments, Trade and Industry failed to appear to offer input for the draft 2023-2024 budget. Keitany said the committee was informed that the top ministry officials were on an official trip abroad.
And it's unfortunate that we are starting on a very wrong footing. So I think for us to proceed, CS has to be here.
He is the holder of the budget policy statement, and he's the one to present to us the budget policy statement. What is the policy for the ministry, so that we can appreciate that policy, and as oversight, then we can be able to understand and be able to appropriate the monies appropriately for the financial year 2023-2024.
This is not something which can be taken very light. It is a development, a recurrent for a full year, which needs to be discussed by Parliament and also by themselves.
This being a very serious meeting, which undertakes the entire budget, the entire policies of the Trade Committee, I think he would have given this meeting the priority and the importance it deserves, because we know resources are of essence.
CS to skip such an important session, it means how low they rate the sector in their agenda. I'm truly surprised, because without industries, without value addition, without industrialization, this country is not going to achieve Vision 2030.